Brad Pitt just won round 2 in the most expensive divorce fight you've never actually seen in a courtroom. A California appeals court just ruled that Russian billionaire Yuri Shefler, the man Angelina Jolie sold her share of their French winery to, cannot dodge this lawsuit anymore. Judges didn't hold back either. They said it defies credulity that a businessman would risk $40 million on a deal he claims he barely knew about. Translation: the court basically called him a liar. This is Pitt's second courtroom win this month. Back in 2021, Jolie quietly sold her stake in Château Miraval, the winery they bought together in 2008, the one where they got married, to Shefler's company, without telling Pitt first. Pitt says that broke a promise they made to each other. He calls Shefler's takeover hostile. Jolie's camp says Pitt's whole case against Shefler is, quote, a xenophobic, untrue smear campaign. So somebody's lying here. Either Shefler knew exactly what he was buying into, or Jolie sold to a stranger who had no idea what he was walking into, a $164 million wine business. But here's where it gets interesting. Sources close to Pitt say Jolie had actually agreed to give him first right of refusal, meaning he got first dibs before she sold to anyone else. And according to those same sources, she sold to Shefler anyway. If that's true, this isn't just a business dispute anymore. It's personal. Jolie's side tells a totally different story. They say she only sold after Pitt tried to force her into signing an NDA, and that negotiations completely fell apart. So she found a partner she trusted to grow the brand, for their kids' future, not against Pitt. Now both sides are headed toward a trial set for February 2027. Jolie's team wants it pushed back 9 months. Pitt's lawyers are fighting that delay hard, because one of their witnesses has already passed away, and another is seriously ill. 10 years after their split, these two are still fighting over a vineyard that used to be the most romantic place in their marriage. Now it's just Exhibit A. So here's the real question. When a marriage ends, should an ex be legally allowed to sell their half of a shared business to anyone they want, even someone the other person clearly doesn't trust? Or does loyalty still count for something after the divorce papers are signed? Drop your verdict in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.